Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kittens, welcome back to the Podocasts. Thank you. I haven't revisited Alchemy Pay for a time since the blunder. I haven't been dodging it. I just haven't been terribly interested lately as I've been more or less consumed over on Cosmos. I'm going to do this one today in a very, non-popular method, but you know what? I'm okay with it. The ACH folks won't let my videos be posted over on their Reddit. So I'm more or less talking to our regulars here on the channel, and it never hurts to have a refresher. This is not particularly specifically about ACH. It's effectively any crypto that you can't stake. But one of the things that kills me in crypto is it's called unrealized gains. Now, whether that is not selling when you really should have, and if you're one of those that's ever said, I wish I had sold, you know what I mean. I understand that it gets a bad rap, selling. And for the life of me, I cannot see a single downside to selling an overvalued asset. But for some reason, a lot of the crypto world has accepted as fact that the crypto way is to buy, hold, and hope. And for the most part, you know what? It kind of is. If enough people do it, the myth becomes reality. And the next thing you know, you are holding onto an overvalued product well past the time you should have parted ways with it. And again, this isn't directed at Alchemy Pay. This is just a general musing, which will segue me nicely into what I want to talk about today. And that is the hidden costs. Hidden costs of putting your money to sleep. These costs are absolutely burying you over time, and most don't even realize it. But let's take Alchemy Pay. There are a lot of things that I do like about Alchemy Pay. It has an aggressive team, has a lot of partnerships, global vision. All right, they do have the vision, and you know what? Their tokenomics are they're not awful. They're not awful, and there are also some things I don't like, which is why I'm sure I'm banned from their ACH Reddit. I can't even post. I can't even post, man. They just cut me right off. And I'm sure it's because I don't like everything about it. I don't like the privacy. They data harvest. I don't like that. But the biggest thing that I do not like about ACH is that I cannot stake ACH. This is just putting your money straight to sleep, and I don't like that. Let's make some assumptions because it's my video and I can do what I want. Let's assume a static value of the token in question. It doesn't change over a period of 5 months. The floor doesn't change. There's variance, of course. But 5 months from now, the floor hasn't noticeably changed, and we're going to use ACH. From August to today, the price is virtually unchanged. They had some peaks. There were some valleys. But from August to today, the value of your ACH has not changed. Half a cent either side. So, from August to today, the value of your investment has not changed at all. You are 100% susceptible to market forces, and you have no say in what happens to your money at all because you can't maximize it. Now, we need a control group to make this a fair video, so I'm going to go with Osmosis. Osmosis is our control crypto. It's not a perfect example because Osmosis has appreciated in value during the same time frame by almost 3x. But we'll put that aside and assume that it didn't. Same time frame, same floor, but there's one big monster of a difference. You can stake Osmosis. And you can stake Osmosis at 102% APR. So let's do those numbers. We're going to compound the staking rewards because I love compound interest. Einstein said, you know what? The most powerful force in the universe is compound interest. So let's go ahead and compound it with a $1,000 investment. For Alchemy Pay, your $1,000 investment in August, today is worth approximately $1,000. Give me a little break, 1% either side. This isn't even making any assumptions, though, because this is what happened. Now, for Osmosis, because you can stake it at 102%. Actually, I think it's down a little bit, 101-ish. Your $1,000 investment, compounding the rewards weekly over a 5-month period, is now worth $1,560 roughly. You're more than welcome to do the math yourself, but everything I have said is dead on accurate. 50% gain over the same period of time. Now, osmosis almost tripled up over that period of time, so you would need an exponential multiplier in there, but I think you get the point. Alchemy Pay and the lack of staking is costing you money, unrealized costs to your buy, hold, and hope method. And I like Alchemy Pay. But stating facts doesn't make it bad, doesn't make me not like it. It just makes it a weaker investment if you are into crypto to maximize your gains. You kind of have to, or you know what, you really should. You should consider all of these things before you drop your money on your pony and hope it runs well. Cryptocurrencies are not traditional investments, and treating them like they are is costing you money every single day. I own Alchemy Pay. All right, I own Alchemy Pay because I do think it will go, but it's not going to go soon. Not soon. So I'm not using my own capital to buy it. I scalp it aggressively when it gets antsy, and I use staking profits to buy it. But none of my own money goes into it because the lack of return on it while I wait is unconscionable to me when there are alternatives to earn and buy it with other people's money. So to answer the question that I don't know, but people keep hitting me up for this, man. Why don't I talk about Alchemy Pay more? That answer is mostly because you won't want to hear anything I have to say about it. YouTube is for confirmation bias. It's not really for philosophically smart money. And Alchemy Pay's lack of APR with those hidden costs makes it something I cannot really hype or recommend for new investors. And you know what? When it 10x's in a few years after it develops and the actual implementation has been in full force for a time, you're more than welcome to take a victory dance on my face. But keep in mind that I 10x'd it as well, but I 20x'd everything else I have staked in the same time period, assuming that the value of the underlying tokens doesn't change at all. I do give a big thumbs up to ACH. I think they will do well in the future, but I can't recommend putting your own capital into it. But I can strongly recommend putting other people's capital into it. So, yeah, look, this another video that's going to lose me some subs, but at least I know I earned it this time and hopefully put out some good information. If you want to know how to get these crazy staking rewards, which are not crazy, we have step-by-step videos illustrating how to do it. Click the video tab and you'll see them. If you're not comfortable after watching the videos, you still don't know how to get to Cosmos, tell you what, send me an email. Send me an email, and we can set up a Zoom call for you if time allows. These are great opportunities, and all you have to do is take them. So until next time, everybody, please stay safe and please be smart with your money. Cheers.